It is coming up with a lot of nice growth. Some leaves are coming out. I have just grafted this one. That was grafted in August last year. It had lot of flowers. Now they are turning into some nice cherries. The graft has grown. I just put another graft on the side, and it looks like that is growing as well. Those are the cherry grafts. Which was done last year, and they have come up with one of the grafts has lot of flowers which are now turning into small cherry fruit. It was a wedge graft which has grown with nice leaves, and it will produce some cherries. I had a spare scion which I grafted on this one. That was grafted just few weeks back, and its growth looks like it will go ahead and leave all the other grafts behind, like that one which has come up with some top bud. Looks like it is opening up, but if you compare that one with this graft, then you will see there is big difference in their growth. One of the grafts has lot of flowers, and now those flowers are turning into small fruit. So it has a lot of cherry fruits on it. Originally I had put two grafts. On one side it was wedge graft, on the other side it was bar graft. I took the tape off, and bar graft was feeling a bit wobbly, so I decided to put a nail in it. And after some time I noticed that rust was spreading everywhere, and it had killed that graft. So I put another graft, which is a bar graft as well, and it has started growing. It is a bit late, but the one which is wedge graft, there are a lot of cherries, still some flowers,